Have you ever wanted to highlight a specific word in your app only to find it more complicated than it should be? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to change the color of a certain word in a UI label. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you just want to make a simple change, but the code throws an error instead. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked how to change the color of a specific word in their UI label string. They shared an image of what they want to achieve, but when they tried, they encountered an error saying NS mutable RLE array replace objects in range with object length out of bounds. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be causing this issue? The error usually indicates that the range you're trying to modify is outside the bounds of the string. We'll break down the steps to ensure you can highlight that word without any hiccups. And stick around. I've got a neat trick at the end that will make this process even easier for you. To change the color of a specific word in a UI label, the user should first create an attributed string. This allows for different styles, including color, to be applied to parts of the text. Next, the user needs to define the range of the word they want to change. This is done by finding the range of the specific word within the string. After defining the range, the user can apply the desired color to that specific word. This is done using the addAttribute method on the attributed string. Finally, the user should assign the attributed string to the UI label. This will display the text with the specified color for the chosen word. Fun fact, did you know that UI labels can hold more than just plain text? With attributed strings, you can add colors, fonts, and even links. It's like giving your text a makeover. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue arises because the mutable string is empty when trying to set attributes. Instead, you should initialize your mutable string with the label's text using NS mutable attributed string. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach to changing the color of specific words in a UI label involves using attributed strings. First, create an attributed string for the first part of your text with the desired color. Then, create another attributed string for the second part with a different color. Finally, append both attributed strings to a mutable string to display them together. Here's the neat trick I promised. Always double-check your ranges when working with strings. A little attention to detail can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to change the color of specific words in your UI label without any issues. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your success stories with us.